Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my individual video presentation about insect pests in major crop in Malaysia. First of all, let me introduce myself. Hello, Zahir here. My full name is Muhammad Zahiruddin bin Zafar. I am 24 years old, live in Keluang Johor. I am study in UiTM Pahang Campus Jingke. My student ID is 2023 21 6852. Before we go through, this is my content. First, introduction of paddy crop. Second, introduction of insect pests in paddy crop. Third, life cycle of insect pests in paddy crop. Fourth, symptom of insect pest damage. Fifth, control practice of insect pest damage. And the last is conclusion. Okay, let's go. Firstly, I will introduce what is paddy. Paddy in scientific name is Oryza sativa. Paddy fields are flooded plots of land used to grow rice, which is Oryza sativa. Etymologically, the term of paddy is said to come from the Malay word for padi, which means rice plant. Other terms used to describe this type of crop field include rice field and rice paddy. They have two types of paddy in Malaysia, which is padi huma and padi sawah. Paddy fields can be found in Peninsular Malaysia, which is in northern stage, for example in Kedah. As we know, Kedah famous with paddy cultivation. Paddy requires sufficient enough sunlight, temperature and amount of rain to grow. Next, we go through the insect pests in paddy cultivation. The brown hopper is the one of the insect that famous that attack in paddy cultivation in Malaysia. Let me introduce you about the brown hopper, the taxonomy brown hopper I mean. So the scientific name of brown hopper is Nila pavata dugens. The kingdom of brown hopper is Animalia. The phylum of brown hopper is Arthropoda. The class of brown hopper is insect. Order is Hemiptera, which is they have a characteristics of Hemiptera. The family of brown hopper is Delphasidae. The genus is Nila pravata and the species is Lugen. So the damage that brown hopper do is direct attack the rice through feeding and transmit two virus, which is rice stun virus and rice grassy stun virus. We go through the life cycle of brown plant hopper. Brown plant hopper undergo incomplete metamorphosis as they hatch from eggs and mature through multiple nipple stage before reaching adulthood. Life cycle of brown hopper have a 3 stage, which is egg stage, nymph stage, and adult stage. For the egg stage, female brown plant hoppers lay maze of eggs under rice leaf. Brown plant hopper eggs are round and 1 mm long. They stick to leaf due to a sticky coating. The eggs hatch in 6 until 9 days. Newly hatched nymphs are wingless and pierce suck. They eat rice sap. A brown plant hopper can lay 200 until 300 eggs through its life cycle. The eggs are normally laid in 8 until 60 batches. The eggs hatch faster in warm, humid circumstances. For the nymph stage, eggs hatch into nymphs. They eat rice sap. Nymphs undergo 5 install and become adult in 25 days. The brown hopper nymphs are energetic and may jump far. And for the last stage is adult stage. The nymph become adult after molting. Feeding on rice plants, and brown plant hopper adult may fly further than nymphs Additionally, they are harder to manage. Adult longevity 20 until 30 days. Next, we go to the symptom of insect pest damage in paddy cultivation. First, the nymph and adult congregate at the base of the plant above water level and suck plant sap. Second, the leaf turn yellow and then turn to the brown, and finally, at the affected plant, dry and die. For third, brown plant hopper transmit the virus to the plant. Fourth, the rust stun and grassy stun virus disease happen in the plant, so the paddy will stun and can grow normally. For the last, the accreted honeydew on infest plant. How to control the insect? They have three methods, which is cultural control, biological control, and chemical control. Okay, first we go through with cultural control. What we can do is, first, choose the variety that tolerance to the brown plant hopper, such as AGR464. Next, we allow plants, which is wheat, on the bunds and between fields to flower in order to attract natural enemies. So, it can decrease the brown plant hopper. Third, we do drain the paddies for 3 to 4 days during the yearly stage of infestation. Fourth, we apply split application, which is 3 times of nitrogen fertilizer, and do not apply all in one time. And the last, we do plow the field after harvest, remove the stubble that would otherwise allow the brown plant hoppers to continue to breed. For the biological control, we can release the enemies like Lycosa, Pseudomonas, Cytohynus during the peak incident of brown plant hopper at 10 days interval. We can release 200 until 250 bugs per hectare to our farms. Besides that, spider and coccinellid beetles eat nymph and adult of brown plant hopper. Next, the hydrophilic and diaticid beetles, dragonflies and bugs such as snappid, microvilid, and mastovilid eat adults and nymph that fall onto the water surface. And last, the fungal pathogens also affect brown plant hopper in farms. For the last control is a chemical control. For the chemical control, we can apply insecticides such as fosfamidon 40 SL, 1000 ml per hectare. Second, we can use Fosalon 35 EC, 1500 ml per hectare. And the last is Carbaryl 10D, 25 kg per hectare. And we must avoid by using insecticide that causing a resurgence such as synthetic, petroids, fenthion, and quinapos. And we must drain the water before use the insecticide and direct towards the base of plant. The conclusion: every major crop in Malaysia provide income to our country. The attack of pest insect on our crop can affect the income of a country. So we must always be prepared for things that are not want to happen to our plants. Therefore, yearly prevention can be practiced to reduce the percentage of pest attack on our crop. Besides that, we need to practice integrate pest management so that we can minimize using chemical in our field. This can further reduce pollution in addition to being able to produce quality product with low chemical use. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.